back in 1802. For some of the territory which was of his territory which was under the British.
See, BJP party has always been commemorating all these events. Especially, it is a direction from the central, from the BJP headquarters also, that we should always remember the fallen heroes, especially those who have fought for our freedom struggle. And we have been doing this every year, and we have been doing for other freedom fighters also of Meghalaya, and we will continue to do. And it's nice that because many a times, unless we recollect like this every year, perhaps maybe one day these great heroes of us may be forgotten. So as a party, we will not allow that to happen, and we will continue to commemorate their heroic act.